पेपर्स ठीक है? As I mentioned, I don't want any alimony.
I thought we were going to talk about this. हाँ तुमने बैग पैक कर लिए.
God, there's nothing to talk about.
Damn it, Pallavi. You can't give up on me so easily.
I didn't say it was easy, Vinod. It's time to accept facts. मैंने तो उसी दिन एक्सेप्ट कर लिया था जिस दिन हॉस्पिटल में मुझे देख के तुम्हारे चेहरे का रंग फीका पड़ गया था.
It was a weak moment for me, Pallavi. I've said sorry. We can make this work. Just give it some time.
Living in denial.
What do you mean?
Be honest. Do you really think you'll be able to forget her? बचपन से साथ है ना हम दोनों. We've had our share of ups and downs, and maybe this is where our journey ends. विनोद, अगर अभी सेपरेट हो गए तो maybe we can still remain friends.
No, Pallavi. Listen to me. Things will go back to normal.
How? Automatically?
Okay, then you tell me what should I do?
संडे को तुम्हारी एलुमनाई मीट थी ना कॉलेज की. लास्ट ईयर मुझे लेके गए थे. इस साल क्या हुआ?
I thought that we are not ready for this.
We or you?
For God's sake, Pallavi, please try to understand.
I do understand. I do understand कि तुम्हारे परफेक्ट जॉब, एक्सपेंसिव कार और ब्यूटीफुल वाइफ के साथ फ्रेंड से मिलना बहुत आसान था ना. इस साल क्या हुआ? डर गए? एम्बैरेसिंग फील हो रहा था तुम्हें?
No, Pallavi. I just wanted us to.
I don't want you to make all these sacrifices, Vinod. एलुमनाई मीट में मुझे छोड़कर भी चले जाते तो ठीक था यार. I don't want to be the reason you miss out on things in life. I don't want to be the reason you stop getting out of the house. I don't want to be the reason you feel embarrassed. And I definitely don't want to be the reason that you wake up 5 years from now all angry and frustrated about all these sacrifices that you would have made for me. Let's just have the courage to face the fact that this is not gonna work. I'm leaving.
Listen to me, listen. Wait, please. I want you in my life, and I can prove this to you. शादी की फोटो चेंज करके मैं नई शुरुआत करने वाला था, पर तुमने डिवोर्स नोटिस थमा दिया. ये बाकी सारी पिक्चर्स हम मिलकर फिर से बनाएंगे. उस दिन हॉस्पिटल में तुम्हारा चेहरा देखकर मैं नॉर्मल रिएक्ट नहीं कर सका. I needed time to accept this new you. I needed time to heal before I held your hand again. आई लव यू पल्लवी। जो भी हुआ हम दोनों के साथ हुआ। वी विल गेट थ्रू दिस टुगेदर। आई प्रॉमिस।